Well, hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. I'm Richard Allan, and I've got some good news. Despite the the market like your favorite one-year-old crapping in his crib, I got some good news. I really do. SBE and ChargePoint, they finally approved the merger. We're good to go, guys. So this has been talked about to have been delayed like over and over, right? Remember February 11th, not enough votes came through, even though 99% of them were in approval of SBE merging with ChargePoint. Yeah, they had to wait until today to finally get everything set and ready to go. And it looks like, based on a couple weird articles, WCCF Tech and Idaho Reporter, we're good to go. It says SBE approves merger with ChargePoint. Stock ticker changes to CHPT. It will change to CHPT. I don't have a definitive date on when that will change right now. I don't know for sure. It could be tomorrow. It could be Monday. Now, usually this kind of thing happens pretty quickly. They probably have all the paperwork and everything ready to go and set. So it should change to CHPT. Now, you're probably wondering, if you're holding SBE, what do you have to do? Nothing. As long as you want to continue to hold ChargePoint as it turns into ChargePoint, all you have to do is hold your shares. That's it. They will be converted from SBE to CHPT on a one-to-one basis. That means if you have 100 shares of SBE, they will be 100 shares at the same price, assuming the price doesn't go up or down, of CHPT. It's a one-for-one conversion, okay? Just to make it easy, let's say the shares were $40 a piece. SBE is $40 now. CHPT will be $40. They just convert over on a one-to-one basis. Super simple. You don't have to do anything. No matter what brokerage you use, it should just convert over super easy. Now, I don't know if that's going to happen tomorrow. I don't know if that's going to happen on Monday. I'm not sure. When IPOB switched over to Open Door, that happened within a day. It was really quick. There's been countless SPAC merges. In fact, I'm going to talk about a few new SPACs later on in a video later today. But I was really excited to bring this news for you guys because this is a good thing. We've waited a long time. Now, let's peek at the chart here. The other day, I don't know if you guys saw this, but on the 23rd, when like everything just went to crap, ChargePoint got down, or SBE got down to $26.78. Wow, absolutely just dunked on. So at one point though, right, ChargePoint was, let's see, let's just go to like the 3 months here. ChargePoint got up to a high of almost $50 per share. It was $49.48. So from here down to 26, again, is almost a 50% drop. We've seen so many companies drop by 40 to 50% relatively recently, right? That we're becoming a little bit desensitized to it, I think. And it's drastic. Now, yesterday we started talking about GameStop and the issues of that potentially taking over the broader market again, and it seems to have done that. And I feel like it couldn't have happened at a worse time. Now, I know a lot of you are maybe still holding GME, or you bought really high, or you bought right around this price or something like that, and you're excited to see it go up again. I get it, I understand. But this is certainly, almost certainly affecting the broader market right now. And that's fine, I get it, but that's probably why we're seeing the market react the way it is today, because that's similar to what happened when all the meme stonks were running last time. We talked about how it couldn't really have happened at a worse time, because we just went through the biggest dips in the tech sector in a lot of stocks over the past couple days than we've seen since September last year. And that being the case, right now, that coupled with GameStop mooning again, it's a tough combination for the overall market. So we're still seeing like a company like SBE, for instance, on this good news, they're still down 1% today. Now, could they fall further down to 26 or something like that? Yeah, potentially. Could we see some sort of further dip after the merger like we do with every SPAC? Yeah, most certainly we could. I don't know if we will, though. I didn't anticipate it pulling down much further than $30 after the merger, but it certainly could. I anticipated, and I've talked about SBE pulling back after the merger. I've said it over and over and over again. A lot of you disagree with me. That's fine. I welcome that sort of discussion. But I seeing that it already fell from its highs over here at the end of December down to $26, that being about a 40% gap there, a little over 40%. I think that would potentially be where we're going to see ChargePoint fall to after the merger. Again, it's changing over to CHPT relatively soon. I don't know if it's going to happen tomorrow or Monday, but it should be relatively simple for you to figure out. One-to-one conversion, just right over. I'm still very excited for this company long term. I will probably be adding it after the merger to my long-term portfolio. Again, I've said that over and over again. I really, really like this company. I think electric vehicles are our future. I think it's going to be the decade for EVs and genomics. I keep talking about that sort of thing. I bought Invitae as well recently in my long-term portfolio because it dropped under $40 for the first time in a long time. I have Sens. I bought more Nano Dimension. And some of the SPACs I'm going to be talking about are pretty exciting later on as well. Guys, I know this is a tough time in the market right now. It is. And you're probably freaking out and panicking. And I'm trying to... Somebody said yesterday, commented, you'd be a great crisis counselor. I don't want you guys to panic right now. I really, really don't. I don't think this is the correction or crash that everybody's been waiting for. I really, really don't. I really don't. But I could be wrong. But over on my 10x portfolio, it's not looking fantastic. So just a few days ago, before all this stuff happened, I was up at one point, I think 43% on the year. Okay, and right now, let me pull it up real quick. Right now, I think I'm only up 18%. Yeah. So the market can take dramatic hits, dramatic swings, and you have to be prepared for that stuff. We've been talking it over on the Discord. We're like, hey, are you on pace for your long-term portfolio? And no, I'm not. By the end of February, I have to be up 46%, okay, to be on pace, hitting my 21% every single month of growth. This has been a tough month. This has been a really tough month. I was only a couple $100 away, and I went all the way out to cash, and I purchased Nano Dimension and APXT, and then the market happened to tank. Again, both of those stocks were down where the normal swings would happen for them to go up. And then Nano Dimension did their latest offering. And they didn't even get anywhere close to $12.80 where the offering was, and then the market tanked, and Nano Dimension dropped below $10. And I know it's a scary time, but if you're invested in companies that you believe in long term, even if you're swing trading, you really should swing trade companies that you are willing to hold long term. I'm willing to hang on to these shares until they rebound. I really, really am. I just bought more Nano Dimension today. Once it dropped below $11, I was like, okay, it's time to buy more, because again, I don't think that the broader market is correcting yet. Now, those are my 2 cents. Okay, I may be wrong. I'm going to be the first to say it, and I really don't want you guys to panic. If you're investing in companies that you believe in long term, you should be willing to hold those shares for a long period of time, even if you're swing trading, day trading, whatever. You have to be prepared for moments like this in the market because they'll happen. But again, I don't think, like I said yesterday, I don't think it's going to take months for these companies to rebound. I think we're going to look back, and again, somebody said it on the Discord, I think we're going to look back in a few weeks and say, man, I probably should have bought more. And these are the moments that are trying on your psyche as a trader, as a human being in general. It's tough. I get it. So try to stay calm. Try not to panic. Thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. I appreciate you. It was great to see you guys comment a ton and like my videos and stuff like that yesterday that I posted. So guys, I appreciate it. Thank you so much. As always, if you didn't already do it, hit that beautiful blue white like button. Turn it blue. Thank you. Seriously, I'll see you in the next video. Bye.